से क्या दवा है, क्या कुछ है जिसकी जो लॉन्चिंग आज आपको हुई?
जी, देश में जो हेयर फॉल की प्रॉब्लम है वो बहुत बढ़ती जा रही है और उसका एज भी घटता जा रहा है। तो पहले 30 साल की उम्र में ये शुरू हो रहा था, अब जाकर ये 20 साल की उम्र में हो रहा है, 18 साल की उम्र में हो रहा है। और इसके लिए डॉक्टर बत्राज ने वर्ल्ड की सबसे लेटेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट लॉन्च की है, जिसका नाम है एक्सोजन। और इस ट्रीटमेंट से बहुत ही अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिलते हैं, मेल्स में भी और फीमेल्स में भी। और ये ट्रीटमेंट खास करके हेरिडिटरी हेयर लॉस के लिए है, जिसमें आज तक के लिए कोई अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट था नहीं मार्केट में। सो दिस इज़ द लेटेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट फॉर हेरिडिटरी हेयर लॉस। इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू डू फॉर अ पेशेंट। हर सेशन में तकरीबन 45 या 50 मिनट्स लगते हैं। देयर इज़ वेरी लिटिल डिस्कम्फर्ट टू द पेशेंट। पेशेंट आराम से ये सेशन ले सकता है। इसमें न कोई कट होता है, न कोई खून निकाला जाता है। It's a very very simple procedure and a very effective procedure with some great results.
वजह क्या मानते हैं?
बाल झड़ने की वजह जो है, इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट ऑलवेज बिकॉज ऑफ एन अंडरलाइंग मेडिकल कंडीशन। इंडिया में देखा जाए तो अनीमिया इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉज फॉर हेयर लॉस, जहाँ पे पर्टिकुलरली महिलाओं में जो हेमोग्लोबिन होता है और आयरन होता है खून में, वो कम हो जाता है। दैट इज़ वन रीज़न। थायराइड की जो बीमारी होती है, अगर थायराइड ज़्यादा हो या कम हो, दोनों में दोनों में बाल झड़ते हैं। पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरीज है, जहाँ के यंग महिलाओं को about 25% ऑफ यंग गर्ल्स आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस कंडीशन। दिस ऑल्सो गिव्स राइज टू हेयर लॉस। और सबसे जो ज़रूरी और सबसे ज़्यादा रीज़न है वो है हेरिडिटरी हेयर लॉस, जहाँ पे about 50% ऑफ मेन इन इंडिया सफ़र एंड अबाउट 20% ऑफ वुमेन।
आपने इसमें लिखा है कि 3 महीने तक अगर लगातार इसको यूज़ करते हैं तो बाल झड़ने की समस्याओं से दूर हो सकते हैं।
जी।
इसका थोड़ा सा बताइए।
तो एक्सोजन जो है वो एक टारगेटेड ट्रीटमेंट है, एक प्रिसाइज ट्रीटमेंट है। इसमें 1470 ग्रोथ फैक्टर्स हैं, और ये ग्रोथ फैक्टर्स जो हेयर रूट तक जाकर फिर उनका एक्शन शुरू होता है। और इनका रोल ये है कि जो आपके बाल झड़ रहे हैं, जो आपके बाल थोड़े एज हो रहे हैं, उन्हें जाकर जगाया जाए, और ये ग्रोथ फैक्टर्स उन्हें जाकर फिर ग्रो होने के लिए प्रमोट करते हैं। और इनसे जो है आपको जो बाल झड़ने की समस्या है वो कम होती है, और आपके जो बाल अभी जो आपके बाल झड़ रहे हैं वो भी वापस आ जाते हैं। We are getting very good results with Exogen. It's about 90 to 95% result. Again, it depends on the type of patient and the type of hair loss, but in general, about 90 to 95% of patients are experiencing very good hair growth.
सर एक बार
Thank you.
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर तुषार मित्तल और मैं रीजनल मेंटर हूँ डॉक्टर बत्राज में। मैं डॉक्टर बत्राज की तरफ से आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ यहाँ पर आने के लिए। आज काफ़ी बारिश हो रही है, आप लोगों को थोड़ी तकलीफ भी हुई होगी, लेकिन आप लोगों ने फिर भी समय निकाला। मुझे थोड़ा बहुत मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा डॉक्टर बत्राज के बारे में। So Dr. Batra is the world's largest chain of homeopathic clinics with more than 200 clinics, 350 doctors, and we have a presence in more than 5 countries, including India, Bangladesh, UK, UAE, and Bahrain. And we have treated almost more than 1.5 million cases. We specialize in 100 ailments that includes hair loss, skin disorders, respiratory diseases, child health, women health, weight management, diabetes, mental health, sexual health, PCOS, and many more. Without much ado, let's move on to the most exciting part of the event. Today we have Dr. Akshay Batra, Vice Chairman and Managing Director, Dr. Batra's Group. He is a specialized homeopathic dermatologist and also a specialized trichologist from the Trichological Society, London. Notably, he is also the first Indian president of the Trichological Society of London. His leadership role signifies the global impact on trichology. Dr. Akshay is also an author of a best-selling book on hair. Now, I will request Dr. Akshay and CEO Mr. Sanjay Mukherjee to come and unveil the exogen and take the
इनको तो लो।
So I'm going to talk to you about Exogen and how this is the treatment. Pointer. So let me start by sharing with you my story about hair and how I got into hair and what I like about it. So hair is my passion, as Dr. Tushar mentioned. I am a homeopathic dermatologist. मैंने dermatology भी की है, मैंने trichology भी की है. Trichology is the science of hair. Trich मतलब hair and logy मतलब science. और ये मैंने लंदन से मेरी पढ़ाई की थी. Next slide please. Go back. इसको चला के लाइए.
ये लाइट बंद कर दीजिए.
आप थोड़ा साइड हट जाइए, तो ठीक करके लाइए और थोड़ा लाइट कम कर दीजिए ऊपर, so that they can see the presentation.
थोड़ा सा ना उधर.
So मैंने लंदन से ट्राइकोलॉजी स्टडी की थी और वहाँ मैंने देखा कि हेयर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सोशली. तो हेयर इज़ अ सोशल इम्पैक्ट. अगर आप देखेंगे कि you know even in the UK even now judges have वो wigs पहनते हैं to show their strength and their power. लंबे बाल were always considered beautiful. So that's the social aspect of hair. Hair has an emotional aspect, and it shows that people who are balding are less favorable for certain jobs, particularly sales and marketing. Studies also show that balding people have less number of sexual partners and higher divorce rates, particularly in the UK. And Indian studies also show that men who are losing hair believe that they look older than their age by 5 to 10 years, and it emotionally bothers them. So these are some very important aspects that got me interested in the study of hair. But what was most important was the medical aspect of it. That by looking at one's hair, you can diagnose many different types of underlying medical conditions. So thyroid, anemia, PCOD, ये सब बाल देखकर you can actually identify and diagnose what a patient is suffering from if you're well trained. And finally, the most important or very exciting was the medico-legal aspect. जैसे कि you know, for example, drug use में the drugs remain in the blood for about 5 to 7 days, but they remain in the hair for 9 months. So until the hair grows out and you cut it, you can still find traces of the drug. So it's very interesting that hair can give you so many different aspects. That's what made me fall in love with the subject. Let's just go to the next slide. चल नहीं रही. Okay, at Dr. Batra's we have already treated close to 8 lakh hair patients, so very very large number of patients. These are some of the common causes of hair loss. जैसे मैंने कहा, anemia is very important. Anemia यानी कि low iron levels in the blood, and because of that there are about, I'd say I've been practicing since about 2001, so 23 years of practice now, and I find in my practice that about 40% of women who come, महिलाओं में, about 40% of them are losing hair because of low iron levels. So that's a very high number. Stress और lifestyle की बात करूँगा साथ में. So stress gives rise to a hormone called cortisol, and that causes certain types of hair loss. Lifestyle is very important because you know hair is a very fast multiplying cell, one of the fastest multiplying cells of the body. It needs nutrition. It needs constant nutrition to be able to divide and grow. So lifestyle में when people try to lose weight very quickly, वो fat diets होते हैं, size 0 बनना है उनको, so that's the time that they lose weight very fast, and with that weight loss, because it doesn't have the right nutrition, they also start to lose their hair. Smoking is a very important reason in lifestyle, because smoking, studies have shown that cigarette पीने से your blood vessels start to shrink. When the blood vessels start to shrink, then the nutrients that the blood carries to your hair follicle reduce. Okay, blood flow ही कम हो जाता है, तो उसको जो nutrition है वो भी कम हो जाती है. So because of that, again, there's a very strong correlation between smoking and hair loss. Thyroid is a medical condition, which is a hormone. इसमें hyperthyroid में जहाँ पे thyroid hormone ज़्यादा काम कर रहा है, या hypothyroid में जहाँ thyroid hormone कम काम कर रहा है, दोनों में hair loss होता है. So because of both of these reasons, you can get hair loss. And again, practice में about 15-20% of people lose hair because of thyroid hormones being imbalanced. Finally, polycystic ovaries. This is a female condition. Today we find that 20%, 1 in 5 women in India suffer from polycystic ovaries. तो बहुत ज़्यादा इसकी जो है अभी इंसिडेंस हो रही है। अबाउट 20-25% ऑफ पीपल इसमें बाल झड़ते हैं, इसमें फेस के बाल भी उगते हैं महिलाओं में, एंड इसमें जो ओवरीज है उन पे सिस्ट ग्रो होते हैं, उसकी वजह से इनफर्टिलिटी होती है, इसकी वजह से पीरियड्स इरेगुलर होते हैं, उसकी वजह से वेट गेन होता है, उसकी वजह से हेयर लॉस होता है। सो दिस ऑल्सो इज अ वेरी कॉमन रीजन, एंड ऑफ कोर्स एजिंग एंड जेनेटिक विच इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन कॉजेज ऑफ हेयर लॉस। अब तक एजिंग और जेनेटिक के लिए कोई ट्रीटमेंट था नहीं। There was no treatment that was really aimed at genetic hair loss. And let's see what there is now and how Exogen takes care of that. Just go forward, please. And okay, wait. So young India is getting bald. I'd like to share with you these statistics also. We have clinics, as Dr. Tushar ne kaha, all over in 5 countries. But India may we have about 190 clinics. And we find that जो 5 साल पहले patient की age थी, that was about, I would say maybe 35-40 years. That is now come down to 20-25 years of age. So today young people are losing hair. Next please. So this is, like I said, the onset of hair loss has decreased to just 21 years. This is the common age. We even find in practice के 18 साल के बच्चे भी आते हैं with where hair loss has started. I've got some children who are in the 12th standard because of strong family history. They start losing hair early. 50% of men in India suffer from male pattern baldness, and 22% of women in India suffer from female pattern baldness. So 50% is a very high number. 1 in 2 males has male pattern baldness. Male pattern baldness is a common type of baldness जहाँ पे यहाँ के बाल झड़ते हैं, यहाँ पे पैच हो जाता है, और बाकी फिर last stage is you are left with only what you have like a horseshoe shape pattern. यहाँ पे पीछे के बाल बच जाते हैं और पूरे ऊपर के बाल झड़ जाते हैं. That is called male pattern baldness. This is an interesting statistics that shows that about 5 years ago the number of searches in India, जो search engine पे लोग ढूंढते थे hair loss के बारे में, that was 6.4 lakh. अब जाकर it is 21.4 lakh. So almost 350% more in the last 5 years. That is from 2020 to 2024. 4.5 years में the number of searches for hair loss has gone up by 350 times. 3.5 गुना. This is the number for Delhi. Just go back, please. Thank you. So Delhi was in 2020 was 23,000. It's now 82,000, 83,000. So this is almost 4 times more than what it used to be. So while Pure India mein the searches have gone up 3.5 times, in Delhi it's gone up 4 times. So patients and people in Delhi are experiencing hair loss more, or searching for hair loss treatments more than other places of India. So what is the solution? Like I said, until now there was no treatment for hereditary hair loss that was aimed specifically at it. Let's see what the solution is. Can you please play the film?
फिर से बोलो।
डॉक्टर बतराज है ना, डॉक्टर बतराज लाएंगे एक्सपोजर नैनो टारगेटेड हेयर ट्रीटमेंट जो इफेक्टिवली टारगेट करता है अफेक्टेड पैच ऑफ द स्कैल्प।
जहाँ बाल चाहिए वहीं पे डायरेक्ट टारगेट होगा ना।
बिल्कुल, यही तो है नैनो टारगेटिंग।
लेकिन हेरिडिटरी हेयर लॉस का क्या? उसका तो कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं है।
साइड एक्सपोजर है वर्ल्ड का मोस्ट एडवांस्ड हेयर रीजनरेशन ट्रीटमेंट, एक्सट्रीमली इफेक्टिव इवन ऑन हेरिडिटरी हेयर लॉस।
हेयर लॉस का रीजन कोई भी हो?
हाँ, रीजन कोई भी हो, स्ट्रेस, हार्मोनल या हेरिडिटरी, एक्सपोजर का लेटेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट ही है सबका आंसर।
नो मोर वरीज फॉर हेयर लॉस, क्योंकि मैं हूँ। मेरा मतलब डॉक्टर बतराज है ना, हेयर लॉस को फाइट नहीं करेंगे। बाय बाय।
जैसे मैंने कहा, एक्सोजन इज एन एक्सोसोम बेस्ड ट्रीटमेंट. मैं एक्सोसोम क्या है आपको समझाऊंगा 2 मिनट में. It works very effectively for hereditary hair loss in both men and women. So most treatments are aimed at men. This treatment helps equally men and women. It's a highly targeted treatment, and the medicines go to the hair root and then start acting. And I'll explain that to you in a minute how it works. And it is made up of 1,470 growth factors. ये जो serum है, इसमें 1,470 growth factors हैं that are good for hair, that stimulate your hair follicle to grow. Next, please. So इसमें there is a release of exosome. So exosome actually एक body की natural occurring product होती थी. The beauty of exosome is that it is 1/100th the size of a normal cell particle. यानी कि it's a very 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 small molecule. Because it is a small molecule, it goes into the hair follicle and it is able to penetrate the hair cell very easily. Hair cell के अंदर बहुत आसानी से चले जाता है because of the size of the particle. Now, basically that, so when the exosome is put on the scalp, it migrates. It goes to the targeted area, which is the hair follicle. Once it reaches the hair follicle, it then attaches itself to the damaged hair cells. It finds the cells that are damaged. और इन hair cells को जाके attach होता है. उसके बाद the growth factors in the exosome is released in the hair follicle. It then gets absorbed by the hair follicle. And then the repair and the healing process starts. So यानी कि like I said, the first thing is that इसमें 1,470 growth factors है, which is much more than any other treatment has had in the past. Secondly, because of the size of the particle of exosome, it's able to penetrate right into the hair cell and then release. Otherwise, any treatments put on the scalp यहाँ पर लगा के by the time they reach the hair follicle उनका wastage हो जाता है. So this one goes into the hair follicle, opens up and then attaches to the hair follicle and then starts acting. So therefore it is targeted and it is precise, and that's what makes it very very effective. Just play this video of a patient who we
मैंने डॉक्टर बलराज के साथ एक्सोजन हेयर ग्रोथ थेरेपी स्टार्ट किया और मैंने 3 सेशन अभी तक किए हैं एंड 3 सेशन में मुझे ये बेनिफिट हुआ है कि मेरी जो हेयर फॉल है इट हैज़ रिड्यूस टू सम एक्सटेंट और ये स्टार्ट किया एंड इस कोटे एरिया में मैंने बेबी हेयर ग्रोथ भी देखा है. आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस कि ये हेयर ग्रोथ है. So I'm glad that this therapy is working with me. So thank you.
These are some pictures. यहाँ देखिए how there is a bald patcher in just 4 sessions. इनकी session जो होती है it's once a week. So after taking 4 sessions, which is 4 weeks, which is 1 month, you can see the improvement in the patient here. Next, please. Again, you can see this female patient how the hairline over here has got filled up. Now, why we call this the world's best treatment is because, like I said, आज तक कोई treatment में 1,470 growth factors नहीं थे. कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट टारगेटेड नहीं था जो आपके हेयर फॉलिकल तक जाकर फिर उसकी एक्शन शुरू करे. यानी कि जो आपकी सीरम है, दवा है, उसमें कोई वेस्टेज नहीं होती और ये एकदम प्रिसाइज है. जो हेयर फॉलिकल्स आपके डाई हो रहे हैं या झड़ रहे हैं उन्हें जाकर अटैक कर उन्हें एक्टिवेट करता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉल दिस द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट ट्रीटमेंट. इसमें इट इज़ अ वेरी इजी सेशन. 45 मिनट्स का सेशन होता है. वी जस्ट शो यू वन लाइव डेमो, उसमें क्या स्टेप्स होते हैं एंड कंपेयर टू एनी अदर सेशन इज रिलेटिवली पेन फ्री. तो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट में जैसे सर्जरी होता है, PRP में इंजेक्शंस होते हैं, खून निकाला जाता है, इट्स नन ऑफ दैट. सो इट्स अ वेरी इजी ट्रीटमेंट इन कंपैरिजन विद एनी अदर ट्रीटमेंट इन द मार्केट. इट गिव्स यू द फास्टेस्ट रिजल्ट्स एंड द बेस्ट रिजल्ट्स. Just go back please one slide. Yeah. देखिए here you can see how the vertex area of the patient's hair and even the center is filled up in, again, just 4 sessions. Next. Next, please. Again, here you can see, 1 minute, go back. Here you, just go back, please. Next, please. Thank you. Here you can see again, यहाँ पे vertex पे patient had grade 3 hair loss, how it's got better in a very short span of time. Next. Again, you can see here the hairline, and you can see the thickness thereafter. Next. So like this, there are a lot of examples in cases how in a very short span of time, with very minimal difficulty to the patient, with a lot of ease, how patient results get happen. Next. Just go ahead, please. Next. So we'll now show you a little demo. We'll take you to our Dubai clinic. हमारी 4 clinics है दुबई में, 3 in Dubai, 1 in Abu Dhabi. और हमारी टीम वहाँ पे आपको it's already been launched there. हमारी टीम वहाँ पे आपको दिखाएगी how the procedure is done in a very short live demonstration, and then we will take questions. Please can you go to the live.
Hi, I'm Zoya. I like to develop health technology aesthetic therapy. Here are Dr. Bhatta in today's healthcare program. Today I am very excited to walk you through our revolutionary extreme treatment, a cutting-edge solution for hair rejuvenation. This procedure has 4 steps. Moving on to our first step, which is oxygenation. In this procedure, we will help the scalp to provide the pure oxygen, leading to delivering it to the machine directly onto the scalp. The process helps us to cleanse the scalp thoroughly of all the dirt particles, opening the pores and create a perfect environment for the serum absorption. This whole step lasts around 10 minutes. Moving on to our second step, which is serum absorption. Here we are going to use a specially formulated exosome serum packed with powerful 1470 hair roots, which stimulates the hair follicles and promotes hair growth, along with our derma. We gently infuse the serum into the scalp. The derma gently infuse the serum into the scalp allows the serum to penetrate deeply, stimulating the scalp and activating damaged hair cells. This whole procedure lasts around 20 minutes. Moving on to our third step, which is electroporation. In this, we are going to use a warm charger helping the scalp to push the serum deeply. This warm hair stroke which helps the serum to push more into the deeper layer of the scalp, along with it is non-invasive and has no discomfort, yet it's very effective. This whole procedure will last around 10 minutes. Moving on to our last step, which is cooling. In this procedure, we are going to use the cooling. So, the step closes the pore, soothes the scalp, leaving you feeling refreshed and relaxed. This is the final step. The whole procedure lasts around 50 minutes to 1 hour. Thank you.
निकाला जाता है, ना ही कोई कटिंग की जाती है. It's very easy for patients to sit in a comfortable chair and take the treatment. So not only is it the latest treatment in terms of the growth factors or the technology, but it's also the easiest treatment for the patient to take and the fastest result. So this is why we are very, very happy to launch this treatment, and we really believe that जो hair patients are going to be very beneficial to them to take this treatment versus any other. So thank you for your patience and for listening to me. We'll now move to any question and answers that you might have, and to answer them either now or over chai. Thank you. So it is a scientific research that derives this number.
So what is this number? Is it per square centimeter, per square? What is this?
1470 growth factors in one exosome cell. And this serum that we use consists of about 2 billion exosome cells, out of which half of the product is used for one sitting. So there are 1 billion exosome cells used on the scalp during one sitting. Each exosome cell has 1470 growth factors, and those growth factors are what activate the hair follicle. Basically, hair goes in the follicle, right? And the hair follicle starts to die out over time, A with androgenetic or pattern hair loss, and the second with age. So as the hair follicle starts to die out, it needs some revitalization. So this is how the procedure is. Dr. Life has its own solution, right? This treatment basically is for those who have family history of hair loss, जिनकी family history होती है, who have a pattern type of hair loss, and who are hair loss के 7 grade होते हैं, 7 grades. This treatment is for anybody between grade 2 and grade 5. Grade 6 and grade 7 are very advanced stages of hair loss. वहाँ पे there is no treatment yet devised, neither a hair transplant, nor PRP, nor excision, anything that can revive your hair in that stage.
Dr. Batra, how much hydrogen is effective for total baldness? Because I can see that.
जी सर,
Dr. Batra.
हर ट्रीटमेंट में होम्योपैथी दी जाती है और द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर ट्रीटमेंट इज असेसमेंट। तो असेसमेंट में आप आएंगे क्लिनिक में तो यू विल मीट वन ऑफ दी डॉक्टर्स लाइक दिस हु वेरी क्वालिफाइड, उनके साथ आप 45 मिनट्स या 1 घंटा बैठेंगे। दैट इज द फर्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट, बिकॉज उसमें देखा जाएगा आर योर हेयर फॉलिकल्स एक्टिव, उसमें देखा जाएगा व्हाट इज द डू यू हैव एन अंडरलाइंग कॉज, इफ सो व्हाट इज दैट कॉज, and then based on your individual case, every human is different, right? Based on the individual case, a line of treatment will be made, and then that line of treatment will be followed. So with homeopathy, our aim is to treat the underlying disorder, and with treatments like Exogen, it is to treat you quickly and faster. मेरे हिसाब से if you do one without the other, it's incomplete. आप सिर्फ होम्योपैथी लेंगे तो it will take longer because you are treating an underlying disease. If you take only Exogen and you don't treat your underlying disease, you will get gain, but that gain may not last. So the right solution is when both are used together, internal and external, long term and short term, that's the time that you get the best results for a patient.
कई लोग बाल अलग डिफरेंट बाल बहुत की
Use this treatment and you get white and a patch called foliosis, or it is because of vitamin B12 deficiency. That again you can use that. There are certain treatments under trial now for older patients like 23, 24, 27 even. But they're still in the trial stage. They are hoping that they can at least halt it and even regenerate some of the melanocytes. But since it's not launched, I'm not sure about the effectiveness. ये आपके नॉर्मल बाल हैं, ये आप ट्रांसप्लांट करोगे, अगर नॉर्मल बाल चले गए तो बच्चे उतने ही जितने आपने शुरू किए। ट्रांसप्लांट तो सक्सेसफुल हुआ, पर आपको रिजल्ट मिला नहीं।
नीचे ग्रोथ है वो
तो नॉर्मल आपकी ग्रोथ है, पहले उसे बचा के रखना है तो फर्स्ट। सेकंड थिंग, ट्रांसप्लांट अगर ग्रेड 3 में करेंगे और यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी बॉल्नेस होगी तो आपके जो नॉर्मल फॉलिकल्स हैं वो भी मर सकते हैं। ट्रांसप्लांट इज वेरी सक्सेसफुल फॉर द फ्रंट, मेनली मोर देन द बैक। Transplant is not for women because most women will get damage from a transplant, will not do better. ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है। That's why I said कि सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़ हमारे clinic में assessment है। When the patient comes, patient को assess करके दिया जाता है, looking at you, आपको क्या चाहिए, where is your hair loss, what are your expectations, what do you really want, उस हिसाब से there are lots of treatments that we can recommend to you to get your hair back or to help you accordingly. Thank you so much for your time. I'll be happy to take any questions.
last question है